A dedicated meal archive station transforms a busy family kitchen into a living recipe library that preserves meals, memories, and the details needed to recreate favorites. Design the station near the main cooking area with a stable surface at hip height for comfortable use, and incorporate a secure tablet or camera mount for consistent, hands-free photos of plated food. Choose a mount with adjustable angles and a quick release mechanism so anyone can capture shots without moving cookware. Install a compact flatbed scanner in a drawer or pull-out shelf to digitize handwritten recipes and clippings. Look for models with automatic document alignment and at least 600 dots per inch optical resolution to preserve pen strokes and annotations. Implement simple cloud sync by connecting the tablet or scanner to a shared family account and enable automatic uploads so images and documents back up in real time and remain accessible to relatives on their devices. Build structured taxonomy into the system by tagging entries with meal type, main ingredients, season, and serving size, and ask contributors to add a 1- or 2-sentence memory or tip to give each entry context. Include a physical binder or recipe box near the station for originals and weekly meal plans, using labeled dividers and clear sleeves to protect fragile notes and to give older family members a familiar option. Finally, create a short onboarding card or laminated cheat sheet with step-by-step photo capture and scanning instructions so guests and younger family members can add entries without help. People often forget to standardize photo framing and end up with inconsistent images, so keep the same mount position and use a simple overhead grid or floor marker to align plates. Another common issue is lost or duplicate entries caused by inconsistent naming, so enforce the tagging rules and a short title format like dish name followed by year to prevent confusion. Families sometimes rely only on the cloud and lose physical originals, so maintain the binder with key handed-down recipes and periodically export the digital archive to an external drive for long-term preservation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners plan and implement kitchen projects like meal archive stations, connecting them with local contractors and practical ideas. Our site also helps contractors find work and participate in a discussion community where members trade tips, ask questions, and share project photos.